In this video, I'll show you how to link your mobile or PC Wuthering Waves account to your PlayStation 5. The process is simple, so just follow the steps. First, start on your mobile device or PC, log into the game, and take note of the server you're playing on. This will matter later. Open Settings, go to the Account section, and then open the User Center. In the User Center, make sure your account has an email address linked. If it's already linked and you remember the email, you're all set. If not, link your email now. If you linked an email earlier but forgot which one, try signing in on the official website to confirm it. Once you have your email and server written down, remember that your Wuthering Waves server must match your PlayStation Network region. For example, if you play on the East Asia server, your PSN account must be from Japan or Korea. If you play on the America server, your PSN account must be from one of the supported countries in that region. If the regions don't match, the link won't work. After that, open Wuthering Waves on your PS5. When the game launches, you'll see a prompt asking you to select a login method. Choose Already Have an Account, Log in. Enter the email you linked earlier, request the verification code, agree to the terms, and confirm the link. Once linked, the correct server for your account will appear automatically. You can also check inside the User Center to see PlayStation Network link displayed. If anything goes wrong, such as the wrong account being linked or the process failing, contact Kuro Game Support for help.